This is a third generation of Volkswagen Touareg, which I borrowed from a Volkswagen dealership located in Klaipėda, Lithuania. It is a Volkswagen flagship SUV equipped with all the newest and greatest modern technology. This car starts from 49,000 euros before options, and options in this car are plentiful. You name it, you get it. So today I will show you around this top spec version of Touareg. Then I will take it on the road for a quick test drive to see what it's all about. Starting things off with the exterior, the color of this car is Silesium Grey Metallic. You get a 21-inch black alloy wheels combined with all the black bits and pieces which comes with the R-line package. IQ Light LED headlights gives you a great visibility while driving without blinding and upcoming traffic by creating sort of black dark spot around the vehicles in the front and keeping everything else bright. A grille is now more prominent, more aggressive, a bunch of sensors and cameras for all the features. You get a sharp design lines around the bodywork. The roofline is sloping towards the spoiler on the boot lid. The car is now 7 centimeters longer than the previous gen. It's 4.4 centimeters wider, and this car sits low, 2 centimeters lower to be exact. And as this car is equipped with an active air suspension, it sits even lower while still. It looks subtle and discreet, and yet it looks modern. The front of the car has a lot of presence, especially the front grille. Let's now move on to the engine compartment. This car has a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, 286 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque. It will do 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 6.2 seconds and the ultimate top speed of 235 kilometers an hour. This car is also equipped with 8-speed automatic gearbox, nice beautiful key, electrically operated tailgate. We have some features here in the back as well. You can lower back suspension to make loading heavy items in the back just a touch easier. You can also equip this car with a invisible towing bar with a towing capacity of 3.5 tons. You can fold back seats using these magic switches. Let's move to the back of the interior. Soft closed doors. You get a reclining back seats. You can move seat forwards and backwards depending on whether you need more legroom or more boot space. Loads of headroom. It feels airy and spacious. Lots of glass and the light coming to the interior. You get a ambient lighting in the interior as well. Let's now move on to the InnoVision cockpit in the front. Let's start this car up. You get a massive 15-inch infotainment system display. You can scroll through different modes. You get a driver's display as well, which you can control using these toggles on the steering wheel. You get your driving mode selections. You can customize your individual setting. Here on the right you get your active air suspension controls. You can sync it with the chosen driving mode. Here you get a wireless charging pad. Seats in the front are heated and ventilated. You get your memory seat functionality for both driver and passenger seats. A glove box is small, giving the size of the car. silver toggle for volume controls, some storage here as well, USB port, LED lights are touch sensitive, heated steering wheel. Overall interior is at premium level, which you would expect from a flagship SUV. Now let's take this car for a quick drive and see what it's like. From the get-go, I can tell that this car drives smoothly, it drives gently, it does what it's supposed to do. You get a 4-wheel active steering, which makes turning in tight areas easy. Lots of performance, it accelerates gently and decently. This car ticks all the boxes. It's big, you can carry your whole family. You get the off-road functionality, and the technology level is where this car excels. You get a night vision camera, you get an active radar cruise control, and all sorts of safety and avoidance features. This car is a great package overall, it has to be said. I'm genuinely surprised by the level of functionality and technology available in this car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Big thanks for the Volkswagen dealership for lending me this car and giving me the ability to find out what it's all about. Comment down below and see you in the next video.